Camber 514, the latest net information from CB, wind 1002 knots, variable between 060 degrees and 180 degrees, visibility 10 kilometers or more, few cloud at 4,500 feet, temperature +18, dew point +15, QNH 1012, transition level 60, runway news 27, expect ILS approach runway 27. Camber 514 heavy.
Camber 514 go.
You may feel free to turn right to establish on localizer.
Okay, we're in right turn now to join the localizer, Camber 514. And Camber 514 is established.
Camber 514, wind calm, runway 27, clear to land.
Runway 27, clear to land, Camber 514.
Camber 5144 heavy, very nice landing, sir. Taxi down to the end of the runway 27, and you can turn right on the turning bay, taxi back, and vacate via taxiway Echo.
Alright, we'll turn around and vacate via Echo, Camber 514.
Camber 514 heavy, do you request follow me car?
Negative, Camber 514.
Roger, thank you. Camber 514, do you have the marshal inside?
Negative for Camber 514.
Roger, report when you have the marshal inside. He should be on your left side.
Okay, we've got him now, Camber 514.
Camber 514 for parking, follow Marshall Seagulls, I'll see you.
Alright, thanks.
Tower Camber 514 heavy, ready taxi.
Camber 514 heavy, taxi runway 27 via taxiway Echo, backtrack lineup approved.
Taxi to 27 via Echo, back track and line up. Camber 514 heavy.
Camber 514 Heavy. You have been re-cleared. Climb and maintain flight level 240.
Re-cleared, flight level 240, Camber 514 Heavy. Camber 514 Heavy, ready for departure.
Camber 514 Heavy, wind 320 at 13, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 27, Camber 514 Heavy.